Day 7. 1. Survey. Customer surveys help to improve product quality. 2. Analysis. Analyze. Analyst. The latest market analysis shows an increase in used car purchases. Reliable analysis. Market analysis. 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 Analyst. 3. Respondent. Respond. Almost all survey respondents rated the product highly. 4. Monopoly. Monopolize. Panatronic has a virtual monopoly on the manufacture of digital recorders. Have a monopoly on. 4. Competition. Compete. Contend. Competitive. Competitor. Rival. Competition in the game software market has increased. Compete for. Compete. 6. Consistently. Consistent. The factory has consistently provided the highest grade products. Consistently plus produce. Consistently plus provide. 7. Demand. Demanding. Supply. The company could not meet the increased demand for mobile devices. Mr. Hawksby demanded that the clause be removed. Demand for. Demand that plus somebody plus should plus v. 8. Do one's utmost. Do one's best. Sun Manufacturing does its utmost to ensure the quality of its products. 9. Expand. Expansion. Expansive. Brahe Optics has expanded its marketing and sales division. Expand the market. Expand the division. 10. Advanced. Advanced. Advance. Advancement. Modern cell phones are very advanced compared to those from a decade ago. The company is already in the advanced stages of the product design. 11. Postpone. Organizers postponed the conference on management strategies because of bad weather. 12. Additional. Addition. Additive. Several investors decided to purchase additional stocks. Additional plus information. Additional plus detail. Further plus information. Further plus detail. 13. Appreciate. Appreciation. Appreciative. Value. Benson Co. appreciates your continued business. The supervisor appreciated Gloria's excellent organizing skills. The gallery was filled with people appreciating the masterpieces. 14. Demonstration. Demonstrate. The sales clerk offered to provide a demonstration on how to use the photocopier. The short software demonstration showed how much money the business could save. 15. Buy. The acquisitions department buys all of the office equipment. 16. Examine. Examination. Investigate. Research and development will examine food consumption trends in foreign markets. Examine. Investigate. 17. Effective. Effectively. Efficient. Valid. An effective advertising campaign is one that people remember for a long time. Increased tax deductions will be effective as of June 1st. Run effectively. 18. Like. Such as. Likeness. Consumers like products that look high-end but are less expensive. 19. Especially. Manufacturers of large vehicles are facing an especially difficult year for sales. 20. Closely. Close. Marketing departments monitor the latest trends closely. Closely plus watch. Closely plus examine. 21. Reserve. Reservation. Reserved. The secretary will reserve hotel rooms for anyone going to the convention. Some funds have been reserved to pay for the banquet. 22. Cooperate. Cooperation. Cooperative. The two companies cooperated on developing the promotional campaign for the new spring collection. Cooperate with. Cooperate on. 23. Very. The survey was very effective at identifying the target market. Very. Far. Very. Far. This year's advertising campaign has been far more effective than last year's. 24. Consecutive. Consecutively. Successive. The Barclay Company achieved high sales growth for the third consecutive year. For the third consecutive year. For 3 consecutive years. 25. Expectation. Expect. Anticipation. The expectation is that costs will be cut. Above plus one's expectations. Beyond plus one's expectations. 26. Publicize. New regulations are publicized on the government website. The hospital publicized its newly built wing to attract more patients. 27. Raise. We used mass mailing methods to raise awareness of our brand. The president raised questions about the quality of the new product. Raise. Lift. The worker lifted the boxes off the truck. Raise. Voice. 28. Extremely. Extreme. Internet service providers struggle to survive in today's extremely competitive market. Extremely. Exclusively. Extremely. Exclusively. The upper deck is used exclusively by Pacific Class passengers. Pacific Class. 29. Effect. Influence. The frozen food industry can affect the canned goods market. Affect. Affect. The new tax came into effect on Monday despite protests. 30. Target. Sales for this quarter are right on target. The advertisement targets the age range of 25 to 40 years. 31. Campaign. Sales for this quarter are right on target. The mayor's election campaign focused on his strong record in office. 32. Probable. Probably. One of the probable causes for low sales was the lack of promotion. Probable. Convincing. Probable. Convincing. Many consumers found the new advertisement convincing. 33. Focus. Management decided to focus resources on expanding its business. Focus A on B. Be focused on. 34. Seasonal. Seasoned. Seasonally. The sugarcane industry is vulnerable to seasonal variations. Seasonal variations. Seasonal demands. Seasonal changes. Seasoned traveler. Seasonal. Seasoned. 35. Impact. Influence. Price fluctuations had a major impact on the market. Have an impact on. 36. Comparison. Compare. Comparable. Online advertising is cheaper in comparison with television. In comparison with. 37. Gap. Severe deficits can occur when there is a huge gap between exports and imports. Gap between A and B. Generation gap. Between. Gap. Hole. There was a large hole in the floor under the sofa. 38. Mounting. Mount. There is mounting pressure from management to increase productivity. Mounting pressure. Mounting tension. 39. Reflective. Reflect. Reflection. Shrinking profits are reflective of the current state of the company. Be reflective of.